Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to review the product which is called as free affiliate funnels, as you can see. And before telling you anything about this product and going any further deeper, let me make it very clear that if you buy this product from the link in the description, then I will get some commissions out of your purchase without you paying anything extra for the product. Why I'm getting this? I'm getting this because I am referring you to the product creator. That is why he will incentivize me with some commission percentage. Okay, so with that note, let us start reviewing the product which is called as free affiliate funnels, and I will give you tons of bonuses from my side as well if you buy this product from my link, which is, let me show you brief of what are the things that I'm gonna give you. So this is my bonus page. This is the bonus number 1, as you can see right here. Bonus number 2, the bonus number 3, which you will be getting from myself if you buy this product completely for free. Okay, so with that note, let us start reviewing the product. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, get unprecedented access to what? To our actual high performing sales funnels that we have used and still are using to generate $563,000 in revenue, and leverage them to build your own email list and skyrocket your affiliate marketing business. So how you can build your list, how you can skyrocket, how you can generate sales funnel, how you can use their sales funnel and generate enormous amount of money. That everything you will get to see inside this product, and we will even help you, means the product creator will even help you with follow-up, upselling, and making sure you are generating the most amount of money from the traffic possible. So this is what they are gonna do. So how their actual high performing sales funnel they have used, and how you can use those funnels, how you can use those funnels to create your list or to make money from that funnel and skyrocket your affiliate marketing business. They are gonna show you inside this product, which is called as free affiliate funnels. So this is what they are promising, and you can read out right here as well and get the exclusive collection of top performing funnels they use to build their list, follow-up emails, upselling, and make sure you generate the most amount of money. Free traffic funnels allow to unleash the fury of growth and getting access to the same high performing funnels that have generated this amount of money in revenue to the product creator, which is Kevin. Okay, so I will now show you a little bit about my bonuses. After that, we will again discuss about this product which is called as free affiliate funnels. But before going any deeper, let me show you what are the things you are going to get from my side if you buy this product from me. Okay, so as you can see, this is my bonus page, and this is completely and solely for free affiliate funnels, as you can see. And we will discuss about this timer. I have briefed about this product as well a little bit, so you can read it out everything in details, and then let me show you what are the things you are going to get from my side if you buy this product from my link. Okay, so free affiliate funnels is kind of a product which will give you tons of affiliate funnels to you, and you can use those affiliate funnels to generate income, to create your list, to skyrocket your affiliate marketing business, everything we just saw. But what if you do not know how to skyrocket the affiliate marketing business? Or even more, what if you do not know what is affiliate marketing? Or even if you know affiliate marketing, you do not have the proper knowledge of how you can generate humongous amount of money through it, or how to get profitable through it, or how you can go a further more step in affiliate marketing business if you are an expert. Everything we will cover in my bonus number 1. My bonus number 1 will include every scenario of people who are out there, from newbie to rookie to whatever you call it, an expert and amateur. Every stage it will cover, and it will show you proper ways of doing affiliate marketing. If you are an expert, then it will show you how to go furthermore. If you are a newbie, then it will start with what a newbie should do. So everything I will cover in bonus number 1, because it is having enormous amount of knowledge regarding to affiliate marketing. So there is no way you know everything about the affiliate marketing business without uh, means what I want to say is, my bonus number 1 will include something for everyone out there. Okay, so this is what my bonus number 1 is. As you can see right here: $1 million toolbox, 6-figure influx, $200 cash hack, commission blueprint, $2,000 CPA traffic jacker, $300 CPA every day, coffee shop, $500 CPA every day, pure profit payday, commission magnet, commission overnight commissions, instant traffic jacker, commission profit hack, commission toolbox, $100 CPA daily, commission glitch. There are top 16 affiliate marketing courses in my bonus number 1. So there is no way you know everything which is present in the bonus number 1. So that is the reason you should check out from the link in the description, from my link only, because I am giving you something that is way beyond which other people can give. I am not saying they cannot, but I am giving something that is I am capable of giving. There is my limit, and I am putting on everything for this product. Okay, so this is the bonus number 1. As I just told you, all you need to do is simply click the link in the description. You will land on this page. When you are on this page, all you need to do is simply click on any of these yellow buttons which states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, and you will land on this page. From this page, if you just buy this product from these buttons, then all the bonuses will be transferred directly to your account. Why I said all the bonuses? Because this was only the bonus number 1 and my bonuses have not ended yet. There is bonus number 2. The bonus number 2 is again the backbone of affiliate marketing, or you can say this is how the bonus number 2 is why the affiliate marketing business is so much profitable, or how the affiliate marketing business can grow even more further if you have the proper power, proper knowledge of bonus number 2, which I'm going to give you, and which is what it is the traffic, the customers, the buyers, whatever you want to call it. The bonus number 2 will include all the people who are going to buy the affiliate products from you, how to gather those leads, how to gather those customers, how to get the visitors, how to explode your website, explode your product to humongous amount of people out there, which is what my bonus number 2 will show you, how to do it properly, the proper way. Okay, the Fuego breakout, the clones, Fuego multipliers, 0-hour workdays, bang profits, incognito. There are 6 top of traffic courses which will show you the proper way of generating traffic for your products to do affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is again completely for free for you if you buy this product, which is called as free affiliate funnels, from the link in the description. Okay, and my bonuses have not ended yet. There is another bonus, which is the bonus number 3, and bonus number 3 is very much special because it includes everything you should know about how to make money online. Okay, making money online is a very tough job for some people, and making money online is simultaneously very easy for some people. The gap between them is how much amount of knowledge they have regarding to how to make money. Okay, so the bonus number 3 will exactly show you how to make money online, and which is what I'm going to give you completely for free. 0-hour work days from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough. Then we have El Bandito, then Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Mobile, Lost Code, and Easy Passive Paydays. There are 9 money making courses, and everything will be completely for free for you if you buy this product right now from the link in the description. But there is one catch even to get the bonuses, and that catch is this timer. And this timer is from the time I am recording this video, so you will have definitely less time than this one. So kindly come on this page and watch if the timer has ended up or not, because if this timer has not gone 0, then you are gonna definitely get all the bonuses. But if it has reached 0, then it is not my responsibility to get the bonuses to you. It will be solely you are responsible to not get the bonuses. Okay, and so do not miss out on this opportunity, and kindly buy this product before this timer hits 0. Okay, which is what only I'm gonna say. This is my bonus page. Kindly come on this page, click this button which states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, and you will land on this page. From this page, if you buy this product, then all the bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, so why you need to grab this today? So I have told, take a look about how the people are making money through this product. Okay, this is Kevin Fahey, and he is an affiliate marketer as well. He is famous for his product upselling, product creation, so affiliate marketing mainly. So funnel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 funnels you are gonna get from him. Front end offer, premium, PLR reports, work from home jobs, productivity made simple. You can read it out, everything in details. All the funnels you are gonna get from this product, you can read it out, everything in details. Okay, there are a lot of things in the sales which I'm not gonna go any further more details because it will consume a lot of time of yours. Okay, and the bonuses which he is going to give you is access to private masterclass, mastermind group, then internet marketing affiliate funnel, and 7-figure entrepreneur book bundle. All of these, there is no catch, no gimmicks. Okay, which is what all about this product. I guess you got this product, have an idea about this product, and he is also having a 14 days money back guarantee. So if you do not feel like this product is useful, then you can get a refund out of it within 14 days. Okay, and let me talk about the funnel of this product. A funnel is what you are watching as the free affiliate funnels of the front end product, and there are other OTOs or one-time offers which will be offered to you about this product, and all the offers will be one time and you will not be offered again. So kindly consider buying those because you will not get another chance to buy the upsells. Okay, and what are those upsells? As you can see, the front end product we just saw, and then you will be having a one-time offer which is upsell 1, which is free traffic shotgun reseller, and you will be having an upseller 2, which is free traffic shotgun, the product itself, and the upsell 1 will be the free traffic shotgun reseller. Upsell 2 is free traffic shotgun. Upsell 3 is marketing power pack. What it is? Easy repetitive system, traffic 5, project restart training and interviews, commission 5, 500,000 training and 20,000 extra. And upsell 4 will be, the fourth offer will be internet marketing checklist trial membership. Get a $3 trial, then around $18 per month. 50% commissions is what I'm gonna get if you buy this product. Okay, so this is it about this product. I guess you have a good idea of the product, what the product is. Again, let me show you what other things you are going to get from me if you buy this product. From the link in the description, the bonus number 1 will be 16 affiliate marketing courses. Then you are getting the bonus number 2 is 6 traffic courses, which is 22 courses. Okay, and then you are having bonus number 3 is 9 money making courses. So 22 and 9 is 31. So you are getting 31 humongous bonus bundle from buying a single product. All you need to do is simply click the link in the description, come on this page, click any of these yellow buttons, go to the sales page. From this page, if you buy this product, then definitely you are getting all the bonuses before this timer hits 0. Okay, before this timer is 0. So I hope everything is clear. If you still have any doubts, kindly consider asking me in the comment section down below. I will definitely answer you with anything or any query you are facing. And so with that note, let me wrap up this video. So since I create videos of this sort, so kindly consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, click the bell icon. And since I create videos of this sort about various product with launches every single day or every single week, so do not miss out on those videos. I will meet you on another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.